Hey yo, Rudy Will. Hey yo, we give it to you real, we ain't the type to throw shade. Uppercuts with the blade, give you a high top fade. I keep hoes close, I like to hold toast. If you approach, play the coach, brag and boast until we both become the most paid. I'm colder in my older age, sick like I was holding AIDS. I blow my nose and cook your toast and eggs. I'm a soldier throwing old grenades, blowing haze, Agent Orange in my pen as it soaks the page. Inhale the fume, this is real rap, the steel's black. Shit's bananas how I leave a rapper peeled back. Now feel that, real facts behind seal wax. So many fiends you'd probably think I deal crack. I'll put your body in the trunk of an Audi and drive it out to the Mojave for about a week probably. Navigate the yacht like I was John Gotti, vodka and Saganaki, map out the atlas like I'm Anunnaki. Appalachian Mountain home, I copped it furnished. I keep my haters squirmish waiting by the furnace. I'm giving y'all the sermon like it's Sunday service, taking all these rappers back to camp, yo, that's word to earnest. Backstage like I knew the band, food in hand. You'll never see us contemplating on a stupid plan. My newer fans think I'm rude and bland, cause every time they see me inside of their city, I'm in a new sedan. Operate at the highest levels, I refuse to land. Blocking all shots, it doesn't matter where the shooter stands. I move swift, I'll take food from a cougar's hands. Rewind my verse and it's the future cause I'm too advanced. You know what time it is, son, like it's a gold watch. I see the haters' face stiffen like some Botox. I used to only smoke pot, now I hold stocks. Grinding for my 40-acre plot where I can grow crops. I'm changing up the numbers on the scoreboard. I'm changing up the numbers on the scoreboard. I'm changing up the numbers on the scoreboard. Yo, I'm changing up the numbers on the scoreboard.
He was a man amongst men. Everybody talks about his strength. He didn't go out of his way to try to impress anybody. He just impressed you by who he was and what he did.